a Raspberry Pi-based embedded vision project, the POC process can be lengthy, ineffective, or even fail. So, want to make it quicker? Try Pivistation 5. Pivistation 5 is an all-in-one camera kit family created by Articam. As an embedded vision device based on the powerful Raspberry Pi 5, it can significantly improve your POC efficiency and help accelerate your innovation. With Pivistation 5, you save time on sensor selection, lens selection, hardware connection, driver installation, software configuration, and compatibility test. What you do is pick a suitable model based on the image requirement of your application. Then you are ready to focus on your real job. Your POC time is expected to be reduced from weeks to hours. By seamlessly integrating Raspberry Pi 5 with select high-performance image sensors and matching lenses, Pivistation 5 is super handy. Say goodbye to tiring selection, connection, and tedious setup processes. It also comes with pre-installed camera drivers and an extensive suite of software, including essential tools like OpenCV Python, LiboPaintDev, C++ version, LibCamera, Replica Maps, C++ essential tools, building environment, TensorFlow, Python, PyTorch, Camera Streamer, Articam Camera Server, and more. Your own development is easy to start. Pivistation 5 caters to your different visual needs. Your project may require a camera capable of excellent autofocus and extremely high resolution. Pivistation 5 Hawkeye is your perfect choice. Pick Pivistation 5 Hawkeye. It is equipped with a select Sony long-tested classical high-resolution sensor, 64 megapixels, and hybrid focus mode, PDF plus CDF. Sometimes, sensor sensitivity is a must for your project. Try Pivistation 5 Clarity with an astonishing 1-inch CMOS. Pick Pivistation 5 Clarity. With an onboard Sony high-resolution sensor, a back-illuminated structure, 1-inch image size, and 20 megapixels, super clarity is guaranteed. Or you need to guarantee an extreme sharpness, whether during the day or at night. Pivistation 5 Darksea is your next-to-none choice. Pick Pivistation 5 Darksea. It is armed with Sony ultra-high sensitive sensor, Starvis 2 technology, 8 megapixels, low noise, and IR enhanced. And a lot of future models are to be introduced according to users' application needs. Pivistation 5 Swift, your all-in-one global shutter RPI 5 camera. That's Pivistation 5 by Articam, your all-in-one Raspberry Pi 5 camera kit. Go to Kickstarter, back us, and speed up your innovation.